wanna party like Chris Farley.
Hey guys, it's Naystone here. So in this video, you're going to see how I did this nice natural beat, child. If you guys haven't seen my previous video on my vlog to the drugstore, please exit this video, go watch that vlog and come right on back, girl. The only thing you guys aren't going to see me do are my eyebrows, and that's because I didn't use a drugstore product, but everything else is all drugstore. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Mwah. Everyone knows I got foundation from the store, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color Classic Tan to see where I'm at with the color. Okay. Oh. Okay, sis. Come through there, Fit Me. Fit Me came to slay, not play. Do y'all see this? I gotta show y'all which one. Wow, ladies, you know you gotta bring it down to your neck. I'm tired of y'all forgetting it and then looking crazy going outside. Wow, this foundation is giving me life. Then I'm gonna go in with the concealer. So this is the one that I just brought from the store. This is the Fit Me concealer in the color Deep. So this one was kind of giving me dark vibes, but I think it's light enough to highlight. Not for no $6. What? Not for no $6. And this is why I did it, to show you guys that you don't need to get the expensive stuff in the drugstore. If you're in a drugstore, you're already trying to be cheap. That's first of all. If you're going shopping in a drugstore, you're already trying to be cheap. So just be cheap. It's okay with being cheap. So now I'm gonna go ahead with my Rose Techniques brush to highlight under my eye, and I'm gonna go in with our Wet n Wild palette, Dolce de Leche. That is the color. That's period. Just put a little dab. You know how the makeup artists be. It's time for me to bronze and contour. So actually, before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and like set like my actual eyelids. Even though I really don't do anything for my eyelids, y'all. Like I really like my everyday look. Child. I don't be, listen. every day. This is my everyday. So now I'm gonna go ahead with my bronzer that we just brought. Put some on the brush, and I like to go I even smile when I do it because it's bronzer. It's making me happy. Back in this palette, the Wet n Wild, and we're gonna use this side now. I just told my friend I'm recording a YouTube video. He said, "Oh, I like it like that, little mama." Now we're gonna go ahead and get these eyelashes ready that we brought. Our Ardell Wispies. Double up. Why not? If it's a natural bead, you could be a little extra with the lashes. Like, extra lashes ain't never hurt nobody, you know what I'm saying? Put some glue on these. How long does it take you guys to do lashes? I wonder, like, did you guys have to really learn? Can you guys still even do lashes? Or to this day, can you even do lashes, period? Or you gotta get someone else to do it? It's the foundation that I was using that I ran out of. MAC Studio Fix SPF 15. This is what I was using, and I like ran out, like, child, I ran out. Like, it ain't no more in here. And then this is the foundation that I was saying that I can use to mix because I already had one. This is Warm Honey. See how dirty it is? It's in my makeup bag. This one is Warm Honey, and then the one I brought today is Classic Tan, and Classic Tan was perfect. Maybe I went and got a tan or something. So the Classic Tan was perfect. So I didn't even need to mix like the Warm Honey, which is like a little lighter. Because you want your glue to get tacky, but I had it a little bit too tacky. You know what I'm saying? Say you look down at the mirror, right? Right? And when you're looking down, you can see your thing. So me, I start with the back corner, like the farther corner. So I'm gonna make sure I secure that first. So I go in there, right? And you just, boom, push that in there. Once you push that in there, you know that part is good, right? And then you going with the top. See how easy that was? Did y'all see how easy that was? So for our spray, we're gonna use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose 3-in-1 Prepare, Fixer, and Rafraîchir. Wow, I can't believe I just said that. It means prep, set, and refresh. What language is that? I don't know. Go ahead and we're gonna spray. Ooh, that feels very good. Now we're gonna go in with our highlights and our blush. Ooh. How do I do this? It's always so hard to open these things. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this natural makeup look that I did, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm so sorry for the lighting. It kept like going in and out with different clips, but we still pushed through, y'all. Here's just some clips of me doing what I do best. I love posing for the camera. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really did enjoy the video, and I can't wait to show you guys what I have next. Bye.